Good morning, everybody. My name is Latana, or you can call me Smile. And I believe everybody in our classroom have your own names.
Right.
And
Can you say right?
Right. Right. And I am the one who have my own ambition too.
I am the one who has.
My ambition too. And today I am going to share it with you about three of them.
Share with you three of them.
Three of them.
Very good.
First, after I finished high school, after I finished high school, I would like to study abroad because I want to open my eyes to see more of the world.
Very good.
Significantly, I want to improve my professional English communications and skills and develop myself of the professional fields.
Myself in professional field.
In professional fields.
Very good.
Second, after graduating, I would like to be a doctor because I am inspired by work and commitment of many doctors.
Very good.
Of many doctors. Doctor save our life. So I would like to be one of them to help people.
Very good.
Okay. And lastly, maybe I might to apply it.
I might probably
apply to be a part-time Chinese teacher.
Very good.
Because Laos has a very good relationship with China. So nowadays, more and more Chinese people are coming to Laos for business and tourism. Therefore, being able to communicate
In
Chinese language is vital. Is vital for Lao people. Is vital for Lao people to communicate with communicate business with Chinese people.
Very good.
In conclusion, I would like to study abroad and to be a doctor
In my future.
And also, I would like to teach Chinese for Lao students.
Two Lao students.
Two Lao students.
Students. Good.
All right, everyone.